Ayan ang baby ko. Gising na po ang baby Yana ko. Umiiyak ang baby Yana. Cry yan. Cry ang baby. Andito lang naman ako. Hindi kita iiwan eh. Wala yung ating mga lang yata siya natulog. 20 minutes. Anyway. Ganun talaga. My baby Yana. So mama will make. Where's the Where did I put that last night? Here. Oh no, that's not the one. There, I think. Nagawa ko sa kanya ng carrots puree. Maliit lang naman yung carrots ko dito. Ito yung lulutuin ko sa kanya para snack niya ba. Can I put you down, baby Yana? Okay, let me get your chair. Where's your chair? Okay, yung chair mo. Pinasok natin dito. Agoy. It's mama's fault. Nilagay ko dyan yung chair mo. See? Para mapadali yung ating buhay-buhay. Buses ko niya marimar. Sit down here, okay? Mama, we're gonna make your carrots puree. Sit down. Okay, wait. Just wait, Mama. I'm gonna fix this one. Monty, move there. Wala ka namang silbi na naman, Monty. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Ay. Inang bayan. Sit down muna kayo dyan, my baby Yana. You watch my baby Yana while mom is cooking. There you go. Can you see baby Yana? Can you see baby Yana? Wait, that's too high, baby Yana. I think I'm gonna put this one here. That's a bit high. There you go. Move. Okay, there you go. Okay, dyan ka muna, baby Yana. Gagawin ko lang tong mo. Carrots mo. Ay, kaya lalagyan ko na yata ito ng yogurt. Haluan ko ng yogurt. You want yogurt for this one, baby Yana? I will mix it with yogurt. Since you like yogurt as well. Hindi man tayo natapos sa ating paglalaba. Paglilinis. Nakaabang na sila sa akin. You okay? Say hi, mga shots. Say hi. Say hi to them. Oh, quick lang yan, baby Yana. Just wait. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, baby Yana. That will be okay. That will be cooked and my baby one can eat. Okay? Whew. So much struggle, Yana. Hey? You look at yourself, baby. Okay, let me drink water first. Mama is thirsty. You want to drink your water? Excuse me po. You want to drink your water? No, not yet. Not yet. No. Hindi pa nga nakainom eh. Here. Ay, sumubra. Oh, sorry. You want more? Palitan pala damit mo. Ayan. That's very nice. Baliktad yung damit mo, baby. Ha? Baliktad yun. Yan yung Diyan na ba tayo sa likod mamaya, Ayana, no? Okay? Kaya madaming labahan si Mami. Hindi na tayo matapos-tapos sa ating mga gawaing araw-araw. Lagi na lang paulit-ulit. Wait, let me get the where is the saucepan? Wala tayong saucepan, baby. Ayan na. Oh, there you go. Wait, hold on. Okay. Mami, ko alam kung may multo dito. Sa dami ng aming maliliit na kutsara, nagsimulaan na. Siguro sinasama din pagtapon. Paghugas pala. Okay. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What do you want? Oh, what do you want baby to play? Okay. Maghuhugas na naman tayo ng ano mo. Let me stop first. Let me get this stuff. Let me wash it for you. No, not for you, Monty. Pag may naririnig mong duck, nag-ano ka agad sa duck. Oh, that's your duck. Duck, duck, duck. Tagal naman maluto. And I need more water. Yay! Ito na yung kanyang pagkain. Ano yan siya? Yogurt na may kasamang, oh, may buo pa nga yatang. Buong tawag nito, carrots. So, itong aking boss, oh, hindi na makapag-antay. Let's eat. Mama will feed you? Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Okay. Mama, we're gonna push you there. Oh. There you go. There you go. Mama, we're gonna put you there. And Mama, we're gonna feed my baby Yana. What do you want? Wait, dito ikaw. Get the tissue. Move here. So Mama can sit also. There you go. Push. There you go. Okay. I hope you will like this. Meron pang isang hindi na nadurog. Okay, taste it. Yum yum? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy, right? Yay. Say thank you, Mommy. Thank you for the food, Mommy. Yes. Yummer. Sit. Clap your hands. Is it yummy? Clap your hand. Yay. It is yummy. Very good. Ay. Yummy. Baby will like it. Yeah. Oh, wait lang. Mamaya na yung palakpak. Yummers, right? That's good. No. Let me do it. Yummers, baby, right? Good job. Yummy. Oh, yes. Ang daming palakpak. Wow, may tunog pa kami yung palakpak niya. Yay! You're such a cute girl, baby Yana. You're such... Oh, no. Overflowing na. Na. Then later on, we will go outside and walk. Right? Wow. One more. Anong iniisip mo? Lalim na nang iniisip mo. Ha? Ang lalim na. Asa na ba kasi yung tissue mo? Ay, yung tissue. Pamunas mo sa ano? Tamad na si Mami pumunta sa kwarto, baby Yana. Pwede na yan. Okay, one more. Yay! So cute, Ayana. Then later, baby, we will fix the Maglalaba ako. Hindi ko alam kung may magagawa tayo ngayong araw. Gusto ko sana magbinta ng damit sa labas. Kaso nga lang, itong bata kasi na to, hindi mo hindi mo pag-iwanan ng walang mapag-iwan. Yay! Good job! Wait lang po. Okay. Yum. Yay! That's so yummy! Very good. Ang buti na lang nagustuhan niya yung aking ginawa. Yogurt kasi. It's your favorite yogurt, di ba? I know. I know. So yummy. Yung ating music baby nandoon pa. Copyright naman tayo nito. Yung isa kong tawag nito video. Kakapagod mag ng mga music ay laging nakaka-copyright. Oh yeah. Baka mamaya ma-strike tayo ni YouTube. Yeah, I know. What do you want? You want this? Okay, I will let you hold this one. Yeah, that's already washed. Okay. I no, don't eat that one because you have this one. Just hold it. Yummers. Yum. Yum. Hold it. One more. Tama. Ay, kasi, wag mo kasing anuhin yan. Kaya mayroon niyang duga. May duga yan, Bibiana. Kaya umiiba yung lasa ng kinain mo. Yung mukha niya. Yung mukha ng Bibiana ko. Wait na. May duga yan. Wag mo Sige, mag-iiba na yung lasa ng mo. Later na yan. Mag-iba na yung panglasa mo, baby. Magkaluha. Diba? Oh, come here. One more. Yeah, Mars. Plak. Ano ba nang iisip ko? Clap your hand. Clap your hands. Clap your hand. Naubos yung tissue natin kakapunas. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, my baby. Ayan na. Clap your hands. Okay lang yan. Kaya magpapalit ka rin naman ng damit. Yeah, Mars, right, baby Ana? Do you like it? Sige, ubusin mo to. Marami pa to. Pero lang problema, kaya pwede natin tong i-frozen. And this will be your ice candy. May ice candy pa pala ako dyan sa loob. Hindi pa nauubos. Paano ako lang yung kumakain. Bastos. Healthy naman yung aking ice candy. Made of, ano kasing tawag nun? Yung galing sa Dubai. Yung matamis. Kalimutan ko ng pangalan nun. Open mouth. What's that? Kuya Aki Dudong is awake? Wow! Kuya Aki Dudong is awake. Very good, baby. You almost finished? Yay! Almost finished, my baby Yana. So we can go outside and play. While yung ating labada mag-ikot-ikot mamaya. Para multitasking tayo sa ating ginagawa. Yay! Ang aga nito nagising. Like what I said kanina, 10 o'clock nagising na siya. Tapos, natulog siya after an hour. So, tingnan natin kung makailang tulog siya ngayong araw. And hopefully, tonight, you will sleep longer, Bibiana, no? You will sleep early and longer. Para naman tayo may magawa, no? Sa buhay-buhay natin. Kaya paggabi, pagtulog to, saka ako nag-e-edit. Okay.